Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable noise suppression on Discord and what it basically is. So I'm just going to go in a voice channel, and this is the noise suppression button. So make sure you have that enabled because it's very important and it will block out background noises. So I have this turned on. I'm going to clap and it's not going to detect it. As you can see, if I talk, the detector turns green, and if I clap, that's me clapping. Well, you probably can hear that from the mic because I don't have noise suppression on the recording bit. But if I turned it off, it will turn green because I don't have it on. That's me clapping. So make sure you have that enabled. You can also go to settings and go to voice and video, scroll down, and once you find this, make sure you select the crisp one. There is the standard one, but the crisp noise suppression is the best option you can choose, so make sure you select crisp for the noise suppression. That's it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!